In the iPhone 11 Pro, the back of the case is made of frosted glass. It not only emphasizes the novelty of the device in terms of design, but is also significantly less easily soiled than the iPhone X. The fingerprints on it are almost invisible. And the touch is much nicer, it feels more expensive and almost does not slip. Accidentally dropping a new iPhone is more difficult. Fast charge as standard. For the first time in its history, Apple did not stamp on a normal fast charge of 18 watts, instead of 5 watts, for the new iPhone out of the box. Now you don't have to wait forever before the gadget reaches the cherished 100%. Yes, the USB-C Lightning cable also lies in the box. The main thing is a new camera. The new iPhone also shoots much better than all the previous ones, and in the afternoon. It produces the most natural, rich shots of the highest quality. And where the lenses fail, the unique deep fusion mode is activated. Thanks to the fine-tuning of a bunch of high-quality sensors with the power of the A13 processor, the new iPhone is by far the best choice for a mobile photographer. The display is even better. The iPhone X has a great OLED display. The iPhone XS, by the way, also. And the 11 Pro is even better. The screen contrast of the new product is 2 times higher than that of X. The brightness is 800 CD per square meter in normal modes and 1200 CD per square meter in HDR, versus 625 CD per square meter in X. But it is on paper. Does it really feel? While using the same X and 11 Pro separately, not really. But, picking up both devices at the same time, you understand that the current iPhone produces a much brighter picture. The speed of the iPhone 11 Pro is phenomenal. The A13 processor literally works wonders. 11 Pro turns on faster when you press the side button, reacts faster to unlocking using Face ID. Is it faster to open applications, tabs in the browser? No. But this is not required. But the games load almost instantly. For gamers, this is important. In terms of autonomy, the iPhone 11 Pro puts the iPhone X on both blades. Another important advantage of the A13 chip over the A11 is its energy efficiency. Together with a 3046 mAh battery, the new processor allows the iPhone 11 Pro to run significantly longer than the XS, not to mention the X. In a talk mode using the headset, the 11 Pro can work up to 24 hours. And X is only 21 hours.